So I got my hair relaxed and it looks like this right now. I think it looks good. So obviously I had cut my hair before when I just straight ironed it, and I did a hime cut, but it grew out, so I'm gonna do it more, and I'm gonna cut my bangs. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but let's see. I don't want to have like full bangs. I just want to have wide bangs, but that are not too full. Like, I think that's good. Now, I'll see if I cut it more than this later. Okay, but now let's do the actual things right here. So right now I'm just about to part my hair equally on both sides, from the top of my scalp to my ears. I actually did this twice because I wanted a 2-steps hime cut, so I did it once like in the middle of my cheek and once a little lower than my jawline. It's not very clear right now, but you'll see at the end that I actually have 2 sideburns. And now we get to the coloring. So you can see right here, I was super freaking confused as to why the coloring thing was white instead of black, but it eventually came to my realization that it is supposed to be white and then activated, but it was not anywhere to be seen on the videos that I watched, so I was like... So I obviously sectioned my hair into little tiny sections and I just got to coloring.
Inside you was the moment I said I'm sorry, cause I know that I hadn't been honest with you. I'm not in a hurry, so don't give up on me now, don't worry. I just want to be close to you. I'll take you anywhere, even if you break my heart today. Should you become my own, I'll take you anywhere, and no harm, no foul this way. It's time I let you know. I've been bound to fall
obviously super pleased with it. I love it so much. Like, I'm so glad it came out this way. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked the transformation and that you could do it too if you want to. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!
Get lost without you. Get lost without you.